Lean construction is a philosophy that emphasises reduction of waste in raw materials, time, costs. As part of our lean construction mindset on the High Street project, we utilised pre-cut studs. So what that meant was we had the studs manufactured to certain lengths, which means studs could be stood on site without any cutting required.
Capital contacted us about pre-cutting our stud to size on their High Street project. Together with Studco, we put a team together to measure the job and to get the studs cut off-site, ready to be installed.
In this factory, this is where we manufacture all our building products. Everything we make here is made with Australian BlueScope steel, so made here in Croydon, Victoria. From the beginning, we were engaged by Express Interiors to work with the capital team on the project. We'd manufacture the stud down to the millimetre required on site, pack it up, and get it out to site. This project was the first of its kind as far as every material was custom cut. So everything from our ceiling materials, fairing channels, TCRs, right down to the stud and track was all custom made for this project. At Studco, we're always looking to improve and help our contractors improve. We love partnering with people like Capital Group who have that same mindset about improving things on site and making sure that things work better.
If you think about a traditional project, usually you'd have a labourer coming out and cutting every individual stud to suit the size they need. We calculated on this project, we have about 240 studs to a typical apartment. If you multiply that by 300 apartments, that's 72,000 studs. Give it 30 seconds for a labourer to come out, site measure, mark, cut a stud. That's 600 hours of labour, or 75 work days, that have been cut out just by sending out studs to a set length.
It's moving forward in the building industry. We haven't tried it on any other project yet, but after the Preston High Street job with Capital, we're going to do it on our other jobs.
So the outcome of these initiatives is that we can produce a much more efficient construction process, a much cleaner site, and just an overall better outcome for our client.